Hi students, so welcome to this new puzzle which is puzzle number 44. So in this video we are going to see what is the answer for this question mark. Okay, so let us see. If you observe this logic, the number 13, next 17, then 19, then 23 and 29. So if you observe carefully, all these numbers are prime numbers. What is actually the prime number? Prime number is a whole natural number and it is always greater than 1, and it is cannot be divided by any other number except itself and number 1. So such numbers we call it as prime number. So therefore, 13, 17, 19, 23 and 29, then the next number will be 31. So 31 is the next answer. That is, this question mark will be replaced by 31. So correct answer is 31. And as usual, I am giving one puzzle for you guys to solve. So the puzzle for you to solve is, here is the puzzle. So try this with yourself, try to solve the answer, comment your answer in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for daily mathematical videos. Thanks for watching.